good people? Huge shout out to First Thing Subaru for allowing me to review the 2023 Subaru Solterra. Today we're introducing the 2023 Subaru Solterra. This particular model wrapped in a Harbor Mist Gray Pearl for the length 184 inches, height 65 inches. This have a wheelbase of 112 inches with a ground clearance of 8.3 inches. The first ever all-electric SUV, the Subaru Solterra comes standard with a symmetrical all-wheel drive system that can handle any all-terrain trail. Little fun fact, the Solterra is a Latin word for sun and earth. This particular model have a dual permanent synchronous motor pushing out 215 for the instant torque, 249 for the 0 to 6 in 6.5 seconds for the MPG highway, 111 city 94. This have an MSRP of $50,000. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with gray and blue leather seats. Right here we're looking at a digital display. On the left you have your radio, on the right you have your MPH. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel where you can go through your trip, tire pressure, driving info, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside your menu button. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your lane keep assist alongside your adaptive cruise control. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your automatic high beams with your trunk release. Looking on the door panel, you have your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Looking down from the radio, you have your dual climate control with your heated steering wheel and your heated seats alongside your volume control. This is the EV, so you have a power button. The buttons right here are your pedal adjustment with your electronic parking with your brake hold. You have your shift bezel. This particular model have a Star Drive all-electric drivetrain. The buttons right here are your drive mode, camera view, parking assist, extra drive, traction control. You have your wireless charging pad. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside the center console. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect. Beneath the center console you have your 2 USB with your 12-volt outlet. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with gray and blue leather seats. You have 2 more USB outlets in the back of the vehicle with your heated seats. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. In the clip as shown, I am 5'11" with a decent amount of leg room. Now we are making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that, 29 cubic feet. Wow, you can put a couple of 32-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to First Team Subaru for allowing me to review the 2023 Subaru Solterra. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.